Hello, crafty friends. Sorry for the exposure. We've got cloudy skies outside. I actually have several lights on in here, including some studio lighting. But anyway, I just wanted to come in with a new guest design project for my Crafting World Designs and DIY Art Bin. I decided to make it a twofer. And so anyway, the paper collection that I use is the 4x6 journaling note cards called Bedtime Story. Again, I got this at Hobby Lobby years ago, and I'm just trying to use my stash. Plus, I really love the colors in here, and I thought it looked, like Eastery or spring colors to me, in my opinion. But, it is baby paper, but, you can use it for whatever you want to. But anyway, let me put that aside real quick, and the die that I used from my Crafting World Design is her new little Mini Memory Dex card. And I also used one of the tabs. And they're just it's so cute. So let me just pull this out here. Sorry, it's getting stuck on the tape there. I gotta make a new, actually, you know what? I'm just take this all out and get a new container for this. But anyway, so I love the little scallop design. And then also, we have the inner part of it as well. I mean, you don't have to even use it. You could just use it just like that. Also, here are the little tabs. You could use these in your journaling books, your, you could use it for pretty much anything, but your scrapbooks, you could definitely use these for mini scrapbooks. And also, let me give you the measurements of this. Sorry, let me get through here. This is, the outer one is, it looks like about 3 inches. Yep, 3 inches by 3 1/4. And the inner portion of it is, looks like 2 3/4. Close to that. Yep, 2 3/4 by 2 7/8. So that's a good size right there for a little Mini Memory Dex card. And then aren't these little tabs the cutest? I'm just going to go with the longest one. That one is about 3/4 of an inch long and 1 inch wide. So I'm sure there's a little difference in each one of them. But anyway, let me put this to the side real quick. I don't want to lose anything. And then we're going to get into our little die from DIY Art Bin. This is on sale in their store. Well, it was yesterday, so I'm pretty sure it is today. I think it was like $3.29 or $3.69, something like that. But anyway, so there are a few little pieces in here. If you have a little magnet sheet, you might want to use that for this, just to keep everything together. Normally I would keep the die all in one piece, but since I had several different colors I went ahead and did it separately. But let me just get the little parts together here real quick for you so you can see what goes with what. Here's the actual bunny. So you have the face, the head. Here we go. Okay, so, this is for his little eyes right there. That's a small one. And here we go for the outer pads of his feet. This is the inner, or this is for his feet, the outer feet, inner pads of his feet, as well as for his toes. These two little hearts, I know they're so tiny it's hard to see. Those are actually for his little cheeks right there, or her cheeks, whatever. And we also have the nose, which would go like this. So cute. And then we have the inners of our ears. Then we also have the rose for her head, but you don't have to put it on her head as a hairpiece. You don't have to do that. Here's for the carrot. Isn't that cute? I just love that little swirly design. And then there's also a little bumblebee. So this is for the body. And then this is for the black stripes of the body. Or you could make it a black bee and then yellow stripes, whatever. And then here's for his wings. And I used this 12 by 12. You don't need it 12 by 12, but anyway, this is what I bought online. This on Amazon. This is 16 milliliter blank stencil material, and I kind of like how it had that opaque look, right? So it's not see-through exactly. It's not like acetate. It's a little bit thicker, but I wanted to start making some stencils for my stuff. And but anyway, so here is the head of the bee. So that's his little head, and then that just goes together. And then this is for, like, you know, some little grass tussle or whatever you want to call it. Okay. So, oh, and then the little egg that he's holding, that he'll be holding in his hand. Okay. So let me just put this away real quick because I don't want to lose any of the pieces, guys, because I am infamous for that. Let me put it on pause while I'm putting this up. Okay, and then I also went ahead and used the KS Craft little sentiment stickers. I thought these were super cute and pretty fun because they are small. And so this is such a small little Memdex that I wanted to go ahead and use small letters, right? Because I don't have a small stamp that I think. But anyway, so here is how it turned out. Is this not stinking cute? I just love her. So I made her like a little yellow bunny. And here's where we use the rose with the little leaves underneath. Here's the little Easter egg. And I used the paper that had the little blue with the little yellow stars. Thought that was precious. And then aren't these feet the cutest? I just love big bunny feet. I used to have several bunnies, you know, at different points in my life, and I really want to get another one, but we will leave that for later. I really want a French Angora. And then right here we have this super cute little grass, you know, little grass tussle or whatever you want to call it. I don't even know if that's a word. Little grass pieces. And then we have the cute little carrot. I love how it has the embossed lines. I went ahead and doubled it up just to make it a little bit thicker. I did pop this bunny up as well as the tab from the My Crafting World Designs Mini Memory Dex die. I popped that up as well with foam. Here is a little bee. Isn't it cute? And I don't know if y'all can see. Let me see if I can zoom in. Can we zoom in a little more? Okay, sorry, it's a little bit blurry, but you guys get the idea. You can actually see the little wings, not leaves, the little wings. And so I love how it has that opaque look. See how you can pretty much see that. So anyway, I really love how this turned out. I can't wait to make more of these little Memdex cards. I think I might, next time I do this, I might do something a little bit different and kind of make him like a boy. And what I might do is have him holding the carrot instead of the egg. So, I mean, you can kind of do it either way. You don't even have to use the bee in here. You don't have to use the rose. You can just this, you know, little different ways. But anyway, isn't he super precious? I'm thinking about making a birthday card. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. Don't forget to check out mycraftingworlddesigns.com. Okay, we have this right here, mycraftingworlddesigns.com. And if you want to have a chance to become a designer, make sure you tag her, hashtag mycraftingworlddesigns on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Okay, if you have any questions for Anna, please email her at mcwdesigns@email.com. Okay. And then also for DIY Art Bin, I believe Andy's is the owner of that, and he is on AliExpress, so definitely check out his website. And I know he's got a little sale going on right now. For My Crafting World Designs, I do have a discount code, and it is Kimmy10, and that's with a capital K, KIMMY 10. And I will have that in the description box down below as well with all the links. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And next up, if you stay tuned, I'm doing just a real quick process video if you're interested in learning how to put this together. I mean, it's super simple, but I wanted to go ahead and have that available for you just in case. All right. So guys, see you all soon. Bye. guys, thanks so much for joining me and watching. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to check the links down below, and I'll be seeing you all soon with another fun design. Not sure what I'm going to make yet, but it's definitely going to be spring related. So I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.